Have you ever noticed how Japanese women seem to glow? Not in a glittery highlighter way, but that soft, timeless porcelain glow that looks like they've never pulled an all-nighter in their lives? What if I told you that this glow isn't just genetics or expensive serums, but actually a set of sleep beauty rituals rooted in culture, balance, and a kind of harmony with time itself? Welcome to Japanese Sleep Beauty Secrets, what they do before midnight for youthful skin. Tonight, we're stepping into the quiet, glowy world of Japanese beauty philosophy, where sleep isn't just rest, it's a ritual. And spoiler, the secret to Japanese skin isn't what happens after you sleep. It's what happens before midnight. So grab your tea, dim your lights, and let's talk about the beauty of slowing down. Japanese style. Chapter 1. The cultural philosophy behind Japanese beauty sleep. In Japan, there's a saying: early to bed, early to rise, but always with grace. Sounds simple, right? But this grace, that quiet discipline before sleep, is actually one of the biggest secrets to why Japanese women age so slowly. Unlike Western culture, which often glorifies hustle till 2 a.m. and sleep when you're dead, Japanese beauty culture sees rest as sacred. It's not laziness, it's balance. They call it Yasaragi, Unragi, the state of inner calm that prepares your body and mind to renew. Yasaragi time starts not when you get into bed, but about 2 hours before midnight. Because in traditional Japanese medicine, the body's detox and repair energy peaks between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's when your skin regenerates, your hormones balance, and your cells repair oxidative stress. So, if you're scrolling TikTok at 11:45 p.m. with your blue light blasting, you're missing your skin's prime healing window. And that's exactly what Japanese women don't do. They prepare for sleep like they're preparing for a sacred ceremony. Chapter 2. The Pre-Midnight Glow-Up Ritual. Let's walk through what a typical Japanese woman might do between 9 p.m. and midnight. That magic, youthful skin window. Step 1. 9 p.m. The slow unwind. No harsh transitions. In Japan, they don't slam shut their laptops and immediately run to do skincare. They transition gently. They might dim the lights, light incense, play soft koto music, or drink warm barley tea called Mugicha, which helps with relaxation and hydration without caffeine. They understand that your skin listens to your nervous system. If you're stressed, your cortisol spikes. When cortisol spikes, your collagen breaks down. And collagen breakdown equals dull, tired, puffy skin. So before they even touch a cleanser, they calm their energy. Western culture. Okay, skincare time? Double cleanse, essence, serum, sleep mask, done. Japanese culture. Okay, soul care time. Let's make the skin wanna heal. Step 2. 9:30 p.m. The double cleanse ritual. Now comes one of Japan's most famous skincare steps, the double cleanse. It's not just washing your face twice. It's the art of removing the day, physically and emotionally. First, an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup and pollution. Then, a foam cleanser. But here's the twist. Japanese women never scrub. They create what's called awa, or foam cloud. They whip the cleanser into soft foam before it even touches the skin. The foam, not their hands, does the cleansing. This prevents micro tears, maintains the skin barrier, and signals to the brain that it's time to relax. It's like saying, "Hey skin, the day is done. You can rest now." Step 3. 10 p.m. The skin tea ceremony. This one's poetic and very real. Just as Japan has a tea ceremony to honor mindfulness, Japanese women treat skincare as a mini ceremony. Every product is applied with intention and slow, upward strokes. You'll see them gently press essences into their skin instead of rubbing. That pressing movement stimulates lymphatic drainage, which reduces puffiness naturally. They often use products with green tea, rice bran, and sake extracts, all rooted in tradition. Why? Because these ingredients aren't trendy. They've been used for centuries. Rice bran, or komenuka, is rich in vitamin E and ferulic acid, which help brighten and strengthen the skin barrier. Even geishas used to bathe in rice water to maintain porcelain-like skin. It's like their ancestors were the original skincare influencers, without Instagram filters. Step 4. 10:30 p.m. The sleep prep mindset. Now this part isn't about skincare. It's about the mental glow-up. In Japanese culture, it's believed that the mind you sleep with is the face you wake up with. So they avoid stress, gossip, or arguments late at night. Instead, they might journal gratitude, read calming poetry, or even water their bonsai tree. Sounds romantic? It's neuroscience. Calming rituals before bed reduce sympathetic nervous activity, which improves sleep quality and melatonin production, the body's natural anti-aging hormone. So when Western influencers say, "I use retinol to repair my skin," Japanese women say, "I use peace."
Step 5, 11 p.m. The Futon philosophy. Let's talk about sleep itself. You've probably seen minimalistic Japanese bedrooms, tatami mats, futons, no clutter. This isn't just aesthetic. A clean, minimal sleeping space reduces sensory overload and improves deep sleep cycles. Deep sleep equals more human growth hormone equals collagen regeneration. They also use silk pillowcases, not for luxury, but because silk absorbs less moisture than cotton, keeping your skin and hair hydrated. And yes, they sleep early. Most Japanese women aim to be asleep by 11 p.m. because again, that 10 p.m. 2 a.m. repair window is sacred. Chapter 3. What happens inside your skin before midnight? Okay, let's get nerdy for a second. Your skin has its own circadian rhythm just like your brain. During the day, it protects. At night, it repairs. But here's the plot twist. Your skin starts its repair mode around 9 p.m. and peaks at midnight. So if you're still awake and stressed at 11:30 p.m., your skin's repair crew is like, "Ma'am, are we doing this or not?" That's why Japanese women focus on pre-midnight harmony. They don't just get 8 hours of sleep, they get the right hours. Because the quality of sleep matters more than the quantity.
Chapter 4. The hidden secret. Ma. Jian. This might be my favorite Japanese word. Ma. Jian. It means the pause between things. Japanese women understand the beauty of pausing. They don't rush their skincare or scroll between serums. They allow space between each step, each breath. And this pause, this ma, reduces anxiety and helps the skin absorb products better. It's mindfulness disguised as skincare. So if you're doing your 10-step skincare routine in 4 minutes flat, you might want to borrow a little ma. Chapter 5. Yomogi Steam, the Herbal Glow Ritual. Now, we're stepping into something a little mystical, the Japanese Yomogi Steam Ritual. Yomogi, also known as Japanese mugwort, is this humble green herb that's been used for centuries for detox, hormonal balance, and skin healing. At night, some Japanese women do yomogi mushi, a kind of herbal steam treatment. They let the steam rise from a bowl of hot yomogi tea, letting it gently warm their face. Why? Because the steam opens pores, improves circulation, and releases toxins without harsh exfoliation or scrubbing. It's like telling your skin, "We're not attacking, we're coaxing." Western culture, let's exfoliate 3 times a week. Japanese culture, let's soften the skin's mood. Even beauty spas in Tokyo now offer yomogi facials designed to mimic this home ritual, but traditional women still prefer doing it quietly at home, maybe before a bath, in candlelight. And it's not just about the skin. The scent of yomogi calms the mind, reduces inflammation, and helps with sleep quality. So while you're watching Netflix with a clay mask that's tightening your soul, Japanese women are literally steaming their way to peace and glow. Chapter 6. The Art of Bathing Before Midnight Ofuro. If Japan had a national love language, it would be bathing. Baths, or ofuro, are not for hygiene, they're for healing. In Japan, everyone showers before getting in the bath. The bath itself is purely for relaxation. Around 9 or 10 p.m., many Japanese women prepare their ofuro like a ritual. Warm water around 40 degrees Celsius. Not hot, never boiling. Add a few drops of yuzu oil, green tea powder, or Epsom salts. Turn off harsh lights, maybe light a candle or two. And here's the science behind it. Bathing raises your body temperature slightly, and as it cools down afterward, it triggers melatonin release, helping you fall asleep faster. Your pores open, your circulation improves, and you get that post-bath blush glow that no blush can fake. They call it the after-bath beauty. It's the reason many Japanese women wake up with that hydrated, smooth morning skin. Western culture. Quick shower and crash. Japanese culture. Soak the day out of your soul. Chapter 8. The Minimalist Bedroom Where Skin Heals. We need to talk about where Japanese beauty sleep happens and why it matters more than we think. A Japanese bedroom often looks almost empty. No clutter, no piles of clothes, no blue light TV. Just soft lighting, tatami flooring, a futon, and sometimes a plant or incense burner. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about the psychology of restful space. A cluttered room keeps the brain alert. A calm space tells your body, it's safe to repair. This idea ties into Kanso, the Zen concept of simplicity that brings peace. Minimalism here isn't a design trend, it's skincare psychology. Because sleep isn't just a physical act, it's an emotional surrender. And emotional safety is the #1 underrated anti-aging secret. Chapter 9. The Pre-Midnight Digital Detox. Let's be honest, this is where most of us fail. At 11:15 p.m., we're still checking that just one last video, or stalking someone's vacation photos we don't even care about. Japanese women? They understand the blue light betrayal. That cold blue glow from your phone or laptop tells your brain it's still daytime, blocking melatonin and delaying your skin's healing cycle. So most Japanese beauty routines include what's called a digital sunset. Around 10 p.m., devices go off. They may switch to soft light lamps, read poetry, or write a gratitude list. Even the act of writing by hand slows down brainwaves and lowers cortisol. It's like a skincare product for your mind. So next time your serum says anti-aging, remember, no cream can outwork a phone that keeps you awake till 2 a.m. Chapter 10. Modern Japan Mixing Tradition with Science. Now here's what's fascinating. Modern Japanese beauty isn't stuck in the past, it's the perfect fusion of ancient wisdom and modern science. Yes, they still use rice water and green tea, but they also understand chronobiology, the study of how timing affects skin function. Brands like Shiseido and SK-II literally build their night products around circadian rhythm data. Their ingredients peak in potency when your skin's metabolism peaks between 10 p.m. and midnight. So even the science agrees with grandma now. And while Western marketing says, fix your skin overnight, Japanese beauty says, let your skin rest. That's the quiet confidence that defines their glow. Not rushing, not forcing, just aligning. Chapter 11. The psychology of the sleeping face, Nemuri kao mindio. In Japan, there's a beautiful phrase, nemuri kao, which means the sleeping face. It's not about how your face looks when you're asleep, it's about the energy your face carries from your day. If you sleep angry, your nemuri kao looks tense. If you sleep peaceful, your nemuri kao relaxes and your skin heals. It's part of a larger belief that your emotional state before bed imprints itself onto your skin. Western beauty, apply serum. Japanese beauty, apply serenity. And it's not just poetic, science backs it. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Psychology found that people with higher stress before sleep had 42% more signs of dullness and puffiness in the morning compared to those who practiced relaxation or gratitude before bed. So when Japanese women say, don't go to bed angry, they're not being dramatic, they're being dermatologically correct. So before midnight, they release the day through small rituals, writing thank you notes, stretching in silence, or whispering affirmations like Otsukare-sama, which means, you've worked hard today. It's self-compassion disguised as beauty. Chapter 12. The Secret of Onsen Mindset, Letting Go. You've probably seen videos of Japanese hot springs or onsen women soaking under the open sky with steam rising around them. But onsen isn't just a place, it's a mindset. When they soak, they let go of makeup, of performance, of perfection. They don't worry about being aesthetic. They focus on being real. And that's one of the most underrated beauty tips. Letting your body just be unfiltered, unwatched, and unjudged. Chapter 13. Ancient glow-up superstitions. Japanese culture has these charming old beliefs about night and beauty, and honestly, they're low-key genius. For example, never sleep with your hair wet. It's said to trap bad dreams, but actually it prevents scalp fungus and breakage. Don't sleep facing north. Spiritually, it's linked with death, but practically it's about airflow and sleeping posture. Wash your feet before bed, because you should not carry the day's dust into tomorrow. See? It's poetic, but also very hygienic. Even the belief that laughing before sleep invites joy into your dreams has science behind it. Laughter lowers stress hormones and boosts oxytocin, which improves sleep quality. So next time you're doom scrolling before bed, maybe switch to a funny video instead. Your skin might thank you. Chapter 14. Morning after rituals, the glow continuation. Here's the thing, Japanese beauty doesn't stop at night. It flows into the morning. The first 10 minutes after waking are considered sacred. They call it asa no hajimari, to no shimari, the gentle beginning. Instead of rushing to check messages or caffeine, Japanese women open the window first. They let in natural light. Sunlight tells the body to stop melatonin and start serotonin production. Then, they rinse their face with cool water, not cleanser, to refresh circulation and tighten pores. Some even splash their face with rice water from the previous night's soak, a centuries-old brightening secret. And breakfast? It's not sugary cereal. It's miso soup, green tea, and steamed rice light. Balanced, anti-inflammatory. Their mornings don't erase the night's rest, they extend it. Chapter 15. The Midnight Promise. Let's end with this. Japanese sleep beauty isn't about perfection or rules. It's about relationship between you and your time, your thoughts, and your body. They believe every night gives you a small promise. Is greater than, if you honor me with rest, I'll honor you with renewal. That's the midnight promise. So tonight, when the clock hits 10 or 11, don't see it as bedtime. See it as an invitation to glow from within. Turn off your phone. Brew your tea. Wipe off the day not just from your face, but from your heart. Because beauty, in the Japanese sense, has never been about looking younger. It's about aging with grace, softly, calmly, like moonlight on water. If you loved learning these Japanese beauty secrets, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more glow-up rituals from around the world, and comment below. I'm starting my pre-midnight glow-up tonight. And remember, the secret to youthful skin isn't found in a bottle. It's found in the hours before midnight.